Okay, welcome back to 1 Hour YouTube Pro. In this video, we're going to really quickly touch on finding your niche, and then we've also included a video showing you how to go into ClickBank and find a good product. Now, if you've seen this video and other products, and if you've already gone through it, you can go ahead and skip it. I make these training materials based on the fact that for many of you, this is the first one you've seen. Okay, so if you haven't gone through the ClickBank training, if you haven't learned about ClickBank, go through ClickBank, see exactly what we're talking about here, and then if you see it again pop up in another training, you don't actually have to go through that video. It's just good to familiarize yourself with ClickBank and with the different payment processors and different affiliate networks, so you can always have something that you can promote. Okay, if you don't have your own product, then it's really important as an affiliate to know kind of what's hot, what's making money, what's evergreen, and what you need to be promoting right now based on the seasonality and based on your market. So what we're going to do here is essentially you're going to pick your niche. And the quick and dirty way to do this is just go to ClickBank, okay, and we've included a video on how to do this. Find a category you know a little something about, okay? Typically, it's dangerous to just promote a product or create a product based on just your knowledge alone if it's just something you like, before testing it and making sure that it's something that you that really will make you money. That's a big mistake for a lot of people. But if you do these steps and you go to ClickBank and you find a category you know a little something about, and then you find a product that's making money for affiliates, then you know that that's a good selling product, and you know that you can promote that product and you're going to make money, okay? Because you can get all the traffic in the world to your video, and people can click on that link and go to the product, but if the sales page isn't tight, you're not going to make any money. So we want to make sure that we want to find products that are already converting, and I'll show you how to do that in the ClickBank training, so watch that video if you're not familiar.